Hi guys, it's me, Mommy Lai, and this is my first video. So I decided to make this video because a lot of my friends and family had been asking me what apps I use and how I trade cryptocurrencies. So you can just download this in Google Play Store. Just type in Coins.ph. So I actually use two apps when I started trading. So Coins.ph and Tab Trader. So let's start first with Coins.ph. So just download it and create a new account. So this is what you're going to see when you signed up for a new account. So you can just sign in using your mobile number or your email address, enter your password, and click on I agree with the terms and conditions, and you're all set. Another thing that I'd like to discuss is the limits and verifications. Now, once you've already created an account, you have to increase your limits. What you'll have to do is follow the verification steps so that your limits will increase by level. So if you see here, level 1 is for email verification, and then level 2 is phone verification, identity verification, and selfie verification. So this is the time that you have to upload a photo of your ID, a valid government ID. And then level 3 is address verification. So it's the same as with the identity verification. You just have to submit a photo of a utility bill that's under your name, or it has the same address that you have, and all that. So here are the monthly limits. It has daily, monthly, and annual limits. So as you can see here, level 1 is only has only a limit of 50,000 pesos, and then you can't cash out anything. So you have to remember that you have to verify your account to at least level 2 or level 3 so that you can reap your profits. You can cash in and cash out anytime without any problem. So the verification usually takes around a day or two. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So anyway, once it's already verified, you can go ahead and start trading. Now this app is very simple and easy to use. This is what I recommend for beginners or for those who are just starting out with trading and all that. So this is similar to Gcash. You can cash in, cash out, buy load, pay your bills, pay your credit card bills, pay your electrical bills and whatnot. And then the only difference is that you can buy cryptocurrencies as well in this app. So it only has 4 cryptocurrencies at the moment. So it has Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and XRP or Ripple. Now, you also have this peso wallet. So whenever you cash in your money, it goes straight to here. So cashing in is very easy, just like with Gcash actually. So you can do it via online banking, via going physically to a store like Palawan, Western Union. You can do it via Gcash and all that. So once you click on one, it will provide you instructions on how to do that. So I clicked here Union Bank online app. So it will provide you the steps on how you can send money using the Union Bank app. And the same goes with Gcash. It will just provide you with instructions on how you can send money to Coins.ph through the Gcash app. So that's it. I would strongly suggest using these options, the InstaPay and the e-wallets, because they're instant. So you get your money instantly, whereas with other banks, the process can take up to 24 hours. Yeah. All right. So the next question would be if this app is safe. So I strongly believe that this is a safe app, mainly because number one, it's BSP regulated. It's regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And then number two, I've been using this for 4 years. I use this to pay my bills. Yeah, I use this to pay for my credit card bills actually, because this is very convenient. I've been using this for quite a while now, and I haven't had any problems with Coins.ph. So when I first started trading in 2018, early 2018, I started trading at around that time, but it only lasted for just a couple of months. So I also used Coins.ph back then. And so far, I never had any problem with this. So this is what I strongly recommend. Although, if you do your research, you will know that Coins.ph have a higher fee compared to other trading platforms for cryptocurrencies. But with its usability and cashing in and cashing out process, it's easier than any other trading platform that I've used. So this is what I strongly suggest. Although I am not a financial advisor, you have to do your own research. So just a disclaimer, you have to do your own research. You have to do your own technical and fundamental analysis for every cryptocurrency that you buy and trade. All right. So the next step would be buying crypto. So once you've already cashed in, you just have to click on crypto and then convert. Click on convert, and then so let's say I'm going to buy 5,000 pesos worth of cryptocurrency. So you can choose here whether you're going to put it in Bitcoin, BCH, XRP, or Ethereum. So it's as easy as that. But anyway, before you do this, you just have to check the market prices first. So let's say I'm going to buy Bitcoin. So click on check prices, and then you'll see here the graph or the chart for the prices here. So you'll be able to have an idea what the percentage is, what the value is before. So it's already in pesos. So as you can see here, as of April 14, my God, I'm sorry, my internet connection is not that great. But as you can see here, as of today, the Bitcoin price is 3,082,000 pesos. So it's very high. And just a disclaimer as well, cryptocurrencies are volatile, very volatile. So it's a volatile market. If you're into trading, you will take advantage of the volatility of the market. That's the main goal. So the main rule for trading would be to buy low and to sell high. So as you can see here, April 8th, it's at 2.7 million, and then it went up to 2.8, and then now it's already at 3 million. And then you can also see here up to 1 year. Let's just check. And let's wait for it to load. I'm sorry, my internet connection is a bit slow right now. But as you can see here, the value is only at 484,000 last year for June 2020. And then it went up to 1.5, 1.9 around December. And then it went back down again to 1.6, and then 2.3, and so on and so forth. Now, you also have to do your, as what I've mentioned earlier, you have to do your research. So you have to read other info about your particular coin. For example, Bitcoin, you have to read crypto news because certain what do you call this, certain movements or certain news about Bitcoin. All right, so you have to read news about your chosen cryptocurrency, like with Bitcoin. So as we all know, um, during the last month or 2 months, I think, there was news that the company Tesla Motors, have bought billions of dollars worth of bitcoins, and that's the reason why the bitcoin value skyrocketed. Let's talk more about XRP because at the moment this is my favorite coin. So as you can see, I have here the 1 year pricing. So for last year, it's only valued at 10 pesos, and then by around December it doubled its value to 25 pesos, but it also went down again to just 14 pesos But now it's steadily rising up from 25 to 28 pesos, and then at 46, and then it went on to 60s. Yesterday it was at 80 pesos, so now it's already at 95 pesos. So can you imagine that? So this is my favorite coin. This is the coin that I like to trade on a daily or a weekly basis. This is because of its price fluctuation actually. So you take advantage of the volatility of the market. So you buy low and you sell high. So I was lucky enough to be able to buy it during its um when it was at 27, 28 pesos, and then I already took profit on that when it doubled to 40 something pesos. And then I bought it again at 40 something pesos, and then I took profit again when it was valued at 60 something pesos. So right now, all my assets are at, I think, 68 pesos, 69 pesos. So I've already profited from that because of the 95 pesos increase. So I'm still banking on the speculation at the end of the week that it will reach $2 to $3. So I'm not going to take profit right now yet. So that's it. So if you notice, so the value is now at $95, 95 pesos and 14 cents. If you notice, if you're going to buy XRP, it's a little higher. So as you can see here, it's at valued at 96 pesos and 7 cents. So think of it as buying dollars from a bank or from any merchant. 'Di ba? If it's valued at 50 pesos, if you're going to buy dollars, it's much higher. You will pay 51 or 52 pesos. It's something like that. And if you're selling, it's also much lower. So see here, the conversion rate is at 92 pesos and 87 cents. But anyway, this ending balance, that 15,000 here, this is already the selling rate. So you can, it's already converted on the sell rate. So you don't have to compute it and then, get lost in the computation or something. So that's it. So that's just easy as that. You just have to buy. And if you're contented with the profit, you can just sell and just wait to convert it. So that's it. So my piece of advice would be, if you're going to invest in Bitcoin, because with Bitcoin, it has a slow percentage increase because it already reached a high amount. It's already at 3 million. So if you're going to invest a low amount for Bitcoin, this would be it would be better if you just leave it there for a long time investment. So like what I did here, I invested only 5,000 pesos. When I bought it, the price went down to 4,600 because of the price conversion, diba? Kasi I bought Bitcoin at a higher price at that time. So, naging 4,600 siya. But now, it's already at 5,500. So, I already incurred 500 pesos of profit for about a month of holding it there. Pero yun nga, it's only 500 pesos. So, it's better for you to just hold your money, diba? And just cash in when you know that it's ready. Kasi with Bitcoin naman, with all those news going on, I believe that it's still going to rise. And Bitcoin would be the fad for the next 5 years, I think. So, I am banking on that. So, I'll just leave that as is. And then if I have extra money, I can just add it here. Diba? For your long-term investment, something for your retirement or whatnot. So, yun. So, with XRP, what I do is I day trade with XRP. So, my initial investment here is 12,100 pesos. Kasi I was trading eh. Ang puhunan ko dito is 15,000 eh. Pero, I do it in three parts kasi. So whenever the market is low, I buy a third of my investment total, and then the market is lower pa, I'll buy a third of my investment para hindi ko siya sinasabay-sabay na isang blow para ma-maximize yung profits ko rin, 'di ba? Para hindi ako lugi, ganun. And what I normally do then is I don't withdraw it all. Ditira ako. So yun lang guys, this is not a financial advice. You have to do your own research. Pero if you want to get started, you can use Coins.ph. And then I use another app. It's called Tab Trader. It's also available in Play Store. So with this naman, you can do charts, you can do technical analysis here. And then it has alerts. So, kasi with Coins.ph, you have to check it from time to time, di ba? Kung tumataas, baba. So, you do that every hour, every 4 hours, every day, or hayaan mo lang, every week ka mag-check, and all that. So, medyo hassle siya for me. So, ang ginagawa ko, I downloaded this Tab Trader, and then, this is in US dollars, So, it's already at 1.9. So, I just, long press ka lang dito, let's say, here. Hihintay mo siya mag 1.8. Oh, yeah. And then, this is the time that you buy. Kasi mababa. So, ayan. So, once it reaches that level, mag-alert siya para makakapag-buy ka ng more XRP. And then, let's say, gusto mo na siyang mag-sell, so maglalagay ka dito. Mag-alert ka dyan na mag-sell ka na. Ayan, so that you'll be notified every time. So, ganito lang siya. Ayan, basta hanapin nyo lang yung XRP, XRP USD. Ayan lang siya. So, nakasave na kasi ito sa akin. So, bahala kayo. You can use this as well. Or if you want Coins.ph ka lang, okay lang din naman yun. So, it's as easy as that. So, cashing out is just the same. Ayan, you can cash out using these trading, and I hope may natutunan kayo sa akin. Always remember to, yun nga, do your own research, okay? Huwag kayong maniwala sa sinabi ko lang. So, you have to check reputable sources about Bitcoin news, about cryptocurrency news, and all that. I've also started using another app na feeling ko ready na ako. So, I downloaded Binance. So, this is much more complicated, pero it has alerts na rin kasi. So, it will alert you how if you're going to sell or if you're going to buy. It has auto sell and auto buy features. Pero, yun nga, this is the trading market na siguro. This is the ultimate trading platform na kasi you can buy a lot of cryptocurrencies here. It has hundreds of cryptocurrencies. So, I'm still getting the hang of it. So, konti lang yung ininvest ko dito kasi nga, ayun nga, hindi ko pa naman kasi alam. So, I'll try to share this pag medyo confident na ako sa pag-trade using Binance. So, yun lang guys. Thank you and happy trading. Bye!